Hello, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Seagull International weekly live session. Here we discuss upcoming recruitment and overseas opportunity. Myself, Pratiksha Deshmukh, along with our admin manager, Mr. Anup Bijrani, our general manager, Mr. Lalit Moria, and assistant manager, Nisha, will take you through this journey. Before we process further, let us once again go through our Seagull International success story. Seagull International has been in the market past 39 years. Seagull International is ISO certified with the Global Human Resources Consultancy. Seagull International is approved by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, and headquartered at Mumbai, India. And we have our branches at Kochi, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. And we do have our overseas branches at UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. This is our branches and overseas branches. Friends, this is our QR scanner of Facebook. You can scan the QR code and get the upcoming recruitment and overseas recruitment updates. We will hold the screen for a few seconds. Friends, this is our QR scanner of a Telegram. Here also we shares and upcoming recruitment and overseas recruitment. Here also you can scan the QR code and get the details. We will hold the screen for a few seconds. So friends, this is we all have Instagram QR scanner. Here also we share the details. You can scan the QR scanner and get the detail. So friends, this is our domestic level Seagull staffing group. Here we share domestic level of requirement. Here also you can scan and get the details of domestic level requirement. We will hold the screen for few seconds. So friends, I would like to call our admin manager, Mr. Anup Bijrani, to take you through this journey. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Pratiksha. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Friends, good afternoon and welcome back to this live session. Again, friends, I'm going to take you through a lot of requirements, and I request you all again and again. And today also, I'm doing the same thing. I am requesting you all to please stay tuned till the end because there are a lot of requirements and a lot of land interviews that are happening now in the next few weeks. And yes, there are a lot of requirements, and the client interviews are happening at various locations in India. So please take a note of all the dates and the venues of all the client interviews. So I'll start with my set of slides, and please stay tuned till the end. Requesting again. Okay, friends. Now this is a requirement for Oman. Again, friends, the client interview for this is scheduled for the 26th of August. And this company requires furniture stroke finishing carpenters and building electricians in huge numbers. Carpenters are requested to bring their tools for the trade test. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Kochi because the client interview for this is scheduled for the 26th of August at Kochi. Yes, the venue would be released in the next couple of hours. We are finalizing on the venue, but it's going to be in Kochi on the 26th of August. Please stay tuned on our Facebook page. Friends, this is for NBTC Kuwait, and this company requires for their long-term oil and gas project, they need supervisors with rigging experience. Again, in huge numbers, but candidates should have a diploma in mechanical engineering with at least 8+ years of experience in uh, in petrochemical plant or oil refinery sectors. Again, salary would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai. So, friends, you all can send your CV to the given email ID, and yes, uh, someone from our team will get back to you if your CV is shortlisted. Friends, this company requires on a long-term basis. It's a glass manufacturing company in UAE, and they require a supply chain manager. Again, it's a free requirement and a long-term requirement. The client interview is we are scheduling. We are trying to finalize the date of the client interview, and it's going to happen shortly in the next few weeks. The salary, yes, would be very attractive. The job description is mentioned on your screen. You all can take a screenshot of this screen, or yes, all our requirements are posted on our Facebook page. So request all of you all to please join our Facebook page. All our requirements are updated regularly on an hourly basis on our Facebook page. So friends, yes, this one is for UAE, a supply chain manager. Friends, again, this is for NBTC Saudi Arabia for their oil and gas project, and they need an HR head and they need a scaffolding design engineer. Again, friends, the HR head should be a graduate with minimum of 12 years of relevant experience in HR and administration, and should have experience in a managerial position. Candidates having a background of construction sector would be preferred. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai. So friends, yes, the email ID is given on which you can send your CVs. Friends, the client interview for this client of ours in Qatar requires for their refractory division. The client interview is scheduled for the 30th of August at Gorakhpur and the 31st of August. But yes, on both these dates, but at two different locations in Gorakhpur. So, friends, yes, please take a note of the address on the 30th and on the 31st. The addresses are mentioned. Again, this company requires, I am not yet done with the previous slide. So, yes, this company requires refractory masons, brickliners, brick cutters, again, refractory carpenters, and refractory foremen. Again, all these uh, positions are required in huge numbers. But yes, candidates only with Gulf country experience would be entertained. Again, the client interview is on the 30th and 31st of August at Gorakhpur and at Dioria. Again, a free requirement for Qatar, but it's a short-term requirement. This company requires a lead HSE, and they require facility supervisors. Again, friends, it's a free requirement, a short-term requirement for Qatar. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with various benefits. And yes, it's a requirement, urgent one. So the departure would be immediate. Free food, accommodation, transportation, yes, would be provided by the client. Again, an immediate requirement, but a short-term requirement. Yes, we are accepting CVs for these positions at our Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, and Baroda office. So please, yes, apply. at the earliest. Friends, this is for NBDC Abu Dhabi. Yes, the client interview is confirmed for the 1st of September at Kochi. And this company requires civil construction managers, logistic coordinators, cost control engineers, document controllers, civil engineers, civil foremen, scaffolding foremen, safety engineer, safety manager, safety officer, quality control inspectors with civil experience, planning engineers again with civil background, mechanical planning engineers, project control managers, project managers, quality control engineers, quality control managers, again quality control managers with civil background, quantity surveyors, senior contract engineer, senior civil engineer, senior planning engineers, civil supervisors, and timekeepers and or assistant timekeepers. Again, friends, yes, all these positions, but candidates with Gulf country experience only would be considered. So, friends, yes, if you all have relevant Gulf country experience, please apply. This is for NBDC Abu Dhabi, and it's for a long-term project of theirs. Salary, yes, would be very attractive and free with free food and accommodation. The client interview is scheduled for the 1st of September at Kochi. So please send your CVs, and yes, we will have someone to shortlist your CVs and get back to you immediately. Now, friends, this is a requirement for Oman, for Saudi, for Kuwait, and for Abu Dhabi. And this company requires for their shutdown project. And at all these locations, at Oman, at Saudi, at Kuwait, and at Abu Dhabi, the client interview for this is going to be held at Kochi in the first week of September. So, friends, yes, this company requires senior administration officers, admin officers, time clerks, and or timekeepers, camp bosses, and logistic coordinators. Again, friends, yes, please note that this company will entertain only Gulf returners. So, candidates who have worked in the Gulf only would be considered and should apply only. The client interview, yes, is scheduled for the first week of September. The dates would be released in the next few days on our Facebook page. So, friends, yes, it's going to happen at Kochi. The shortlisting is going on currently. So, send your CVs at the given email ID or visit our office in Kochi to get your CV shortlisted. For Qatar, for a long-term oil and gas project, it's a free requirement again and a large one as well. Again, the client interview for this client is scheduled for the 27th of August at Karnataka in Bidar. So, yes, the client interview, please take a note, friends, of the date and the venue of the client interview. They require sandblasters, yes, bristle blasters, Panova blasting, operation blasters, spray painters, brush painters, permit to work or painting foremen, quality control inspectors with painting experience, and painting supervisors. Friends, again, this, as you can see, all these positions are required in large numbers, and the shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai. And alternatively, friends, you can also send your CVs to the given email ID, and or you all can come directly to the venue on the given interview date. The address of the client interview is mentioned on your screen on the 27th of August at Karnataka. Friends, this is a free requirement for Qatar. Again, a large requirement. They need quality control inspectors with painting and installation background, scaffolding inspectors, scaffolding supervisors, installation supervisors, refractive supervisors, and SPIR coordinators. Again, friends, yes, GCC experience is mandatory for all these positions. Salary would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. And the shortlisting is going on at our office in Kochi. Alternatively, friends, you can send your CVs to the given email ID, and someone from our team will definitely get back to you after shortlisting your CVs. This is for NBDC Abu Dhabi, again for a long term. Yes, it's a long term project. The client interview is scheduled for the 1st of September at Kochi, and this company requires civil foremen in huge numbers. But yes, only candidates with Gulf country experience would be preferred. Candidates with Indian experience will not be entertained. So, friends, only if you all have relevant Gulf country experience, please apply. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Kochi, and the email ID is given on which you can send your CVs. NBDC Abu Dhabi, the client interview is scheduled for the 1st of September at Kochi. Same company, friends, NBDC Abu Dhabi, again a long-term requirement. Again, the client interview for these positions on the 1st of September at Kochi. Safety engineers, safety managers, and safety officers. Again a huge requirement, a large requirement for these positions. But yes, friends, again the criteria still remains the same. All candidates should have relevant Gulf country experience only. Indian experienced candidates would not be entertained. So, friends, yes, please be careful. The client interview is scheduled for the 1st of September at Kochi. Yes, y'all can visit our office in Kochi and get your CV shortlisted and collect your interview tokens starting immediately. This requirement is for Abu Dhabi, and the client interview is scheduled for the 30th of August at Bidar in Karnataka. And this company requires spray painters, sandblasters, and brush painters. Yes, friends, candidates should have at least 5 years of experience working for the oil and gas industry, and the candidate should be ready to work on offshore and onshore requirements. Shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai. Alternatively, you all can send your CVs to the given email ID, and yes, you can come directly for the interview at the given location on the 30th of August. So please take a note of the date and the venue of this interview. Friends, this is for Abu Dhabi. Again, it's for the same company in Abu Dhabi, and they require again spray painters, sandblasters, and brush painters. Yes, the client interview for this is on the 28th of August at Vizag. And yes, the candidate should have at least 5 years of hands-on experience and should be ready to work on offshore and onshore projects. This interview is on the 28th of August at Vizag. It's a large requirement, friends. Yes, shortlisting is going on at our office in Vizag. Alternatively, friends, you all can also send your CVs. And but yes, friends, you all will have to visit our office in Vizag to get your CV shortlisted and collect your interview tokens. The location of the client you would be shared very shortly on our Facebook page. Okay, it's a now this is a requirement for Abu Dhabi. Again, it's a free requirement, and this company requires machinists again in decent numbers, and this company also requires senior mechanical technicians who have experience of working on rotating equipment again in decent numbers. So friends, machinists and senior mechanical technicians with rotating equipment experience. But friends, yes, 6 years of experience for machinists of working in Gulf countries, and at least 10 years of experience of working with major and minor rotating equipment. This is for senior mechanical technicians. Again, both these positions are required in huge numbers. Yes, candidates only with Gulf country experience would be entertained. Salary, yes, would be very good with free food and accommodation. Friends, this is for Saudi Arabia, but please note that this company requires candidates only with Aramco experience. Candidates without Aramco experience need not apply, please, would not be entertained. So, yes, candidates only with Aramco experience are required. The client interview is going to be scheduled very soon, and this company requires civil quality control inspectors, welding quality control inspectors, piping quality control inspectors, instrumentation quality control inspectors, electrical inspectors, mechanical inspectors, and painting and coating quality control inspectors. Again, friends, candidates only with holding an Aramco card or with Aramco experience would be entertained here. Salary, yes, would be very, very attractive with free food and accommodation and other benefits. Yes, the shortlisting is going on at our offices in Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, and in Baroda. So, friends, yes, please send your CVs, but only if you all have relevant Aramco experience. Okay, when this company again requires for their manufacturing unit in UAE, and this is a long-term requirement. The client interview is going to be scheduled very soon, and this company requires production planning assistant, electrical maintenance technicians, assistant supervisors or lead men, machine operators, fabricators, TIG welders, digital printing machine operators, CNC operators, and CNC operator helpers. Friends, visit our branches at the earliest and get your CV shortlisted, because the client interview is going to be scheduled very, very soon. So please visit our branches and get your CV shortlisted. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with overtime. The medical also would be a normal medical and not a Gamka medical. So, yes, please visit our branches and get your CV shortlisted. This is for an automobile dealer in Oman. It's a large requirement. They need heavy duty mechanics, auto electricians, HCV denters or fabricators, HCV painters, refrigeration technicians, or AC mechanics and service engineers. Yes, friends, candidates with relevant Indian experience can apply. Yes, but should have relevant 3 to 5 years of experience working in the automobile industry, working either with a automobile dealer or an automobile service center. The shortlisting is going on. Yes, friends, candidates with Indian experience would be entertained provided they have relevant experience, as I said, working with an automobile dealer or with an automobile service center. The shortlisting is going on at our offices. So visit our branch offices and or our office in Mumbai and get your CV shortlisted. Friends, this is the free recruitment for Qatar. Again, this company requires for their oil and gas project in huge numbers. They need installation supervisors, scaffolding supervisors, scaffolding inspectors, quality control inspectors with installation experience, quality control inspectors with painting experience, painting supervisors, refractory coordinators, quality control inspectors with refractory background, again in huge numbers. But yes, candidates only with Gulf country experience need to apply. Candidates with Indian experience would not be entertained here. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. Friends, yes, please send your CVs to the given email IDs at various locations of us. A free requirement again, friends, for Oman. This is for a leading civil or building construction company, and they need civil quality control managers and assistant managers. Again, friends, candidates should have at least 12 to 20 years of experience, which out of which 6 to 8 years of experience of working in Gulf countries and preferably in Oman. So, friends, yes, this is something that you have to check out. The candidate should have at least 12 to 20 years of experience, out of which 6 to 8 years should be of working in Gulf countries, preferably in Oman. The shortlisting, friends, yes, is going on. So, friends, only if you meet the given criteria, please send your CVs to the given email IDs. And yes, someone from our team will definitely get back to you if your CV is shortlisted. Again, safety officers are required in huge numbers for Saudi Arabia. The client interview for this is scheduled for the 27th of August at our office in Chennai. Yes, it's a free requirement. Salary would be very attractive with free food and accommodation. The client interview is scheduled for the 27th of August at our office in Chennai. Friends, yes, you all can. I will share the address of all our branch offices. Pratisha will share the address of all the branch offices towards the end of this presentation. So, but please make a note of this date on the 27th of August for Saudi Arabia at our office in Chennai. Safety officers are required in huge numbers. Yes, candidates should have relevant Gulf country experience. Please take a note of that. Candidates with only Indian experience would not be entertained. Only candidates having relevant Gulf country experience should apply. Again, the client interview for this, friends, is scheduled for the 27th of August at Chennai. It's a free requirement for Saudi Arabia. Friends, here, yes, this is the address of our Chennai office that is mentioned on your screens. You can take a note of the address of our Chennai office. And this company requires for the short term and long and short term projects. So basically, this company requires for short term and long term. For the short term project, they require supervisor, mechanical supervisors with experience of tanks, sandblasters, spray painters, standby man, fire watchers, or hole watchers. Yes, tank, plate, or structure fabricators, tanks, plate, or structure fitters, mechanical helpers, and housekeeping or cleaning helpers. Now, this is for a short term project. And for the long come short term project, they require safety officers, again in huge numbers as you can see. But yes, friends, all these positions require candidates only with Gulf country experience. So, with candidates with only Indian experience, please excuse for this particular project. And this interview is on the 27th of August at Chennai. The address again is given on your screen. Please send your CVs so that y'all can, so that we can shortlist them at our end and send you the call letter. Well, friends, these were my set of requirements. I hope you all have taken a note of the various uh, dates of the client interviews along with the locations. Friends, yes, all these requirements are also posted on our Facebook page and will be updated regularly, which means that if client interview venues are not mentioned in this presentation that I have given right now, they would appear in the next couple of days on our Facebook page. So please, yes, if you all have not yet joined our Facebook page, please do so. Please do so so that you all can get an update of all our requirements, all our client interview dates and venues on a regular basis. Uh, Thank you so much, friends, for joining me. I would now like to ask Pratiksha to take over.
Thank you so much, sir, for making us a life successful. So, friends, I would like to call our General Manager, Mr. Lalit Moria, to take you through this journey again, to explain his part of set. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, प्रतीक्षा. Thank you. हेलो व्यूअर्स, नमस्ते. दिस इज ललित हियर. आप सभी का एक बार से फिर से स्वागत है सिगल के इस लाइव सेशन में. इस हफ्ते भी हम देखेंगे कौन से अपकमिंग इंटरव्यूज हैं, कौन से नई रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं. सबसे पहले आप सभी को मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग हमसे जुड़े हैं. इसी तरह आप हमारे सारे सोशल मीडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म पे उसको फॉलो करिए, उसको सब्सक्राइब करिए, जिससे जो भी लेटेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट है आपको मालूम पड़ सके. और भी कोई अगर जॉब सीकर है जिसको नौकरी की आवश्यकता है, उनको भी इंकरेज करें सोशल मीडिया पे सारे प्लेटफॉर्म को सिगल को रेफर करने के लिए. हमारे पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 से 10 हजार के एक्टिव रिक्वायरमेंट्स है और सारे के सारे जो भी इंटरव्यूज हैं कंफर्म इंटरव्यूज हैं. तो एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जिनको अब्रॉड में नौकरी चाहिए. So we'll start one by one our upcoming requirements and the interviews. Friend, this is the one requirement for Kent company. It's a Kent Qatar-based company and they have shell shutdown project. We have 24th interview in Chennai and this will be a ENI category. We want a maximum instrument categories candidates. Tomorrow we have interview in our office, Chennai office. If any candidate is interested, they can go and attend this interview. Is a 100% free recruitment shutdown project, cell project, and departure is going to be start very soon. Tentative by mid of September or end of September there will be departure. Normal medical you have to do. And one very important notification is that for cell shutdown, there is no QVC requirement. So those selected for the cell shutdown, there is no need for QVC. Only normal medical or company medical you have to do. Company offer you very good salary. Apart from the salary, they will give you free food, accommodation, transport. Overtime will be extra. Tomorrow we have client face-to-face interview. You can go directly and attend this interview. Friends, tomorrow we have another interview in Chennai and this is for the QCon, again cell project. And in there we want the maximum pipe fitter, pipe fabricator, fire hoses category candidates. Those selected in QCon for cell project, that also no need for QVC. Only normal medical you have to do or cell medical you have to do. And immediately we will mobilize you. Mobilization already started. By mid of September or end of September will be a high volume of mobilization in cell project. And tomorrow we have interview at Leeds. If any candidate interested, they can go and attend this interview. It's a 100% free recruitment. All the benefit given by the company, and our time will be extra. Friends, we have one more requirement. Therefore, Saudi Arabia is a long-term project, and we have client interview on 20th August at our Anup Tech. इसमें हमारे को टीग एंड आर्क वेल्डर, टीग फुल टीग वेल्डर, फायर वॉचर्स, फायर फैब्रिकेटर्स, क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर इलेक्ट्रिकल और ईएनआई में चाहिए, और क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर 653 क्वालिफाइड हमें चाहिए। इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस अगर किसी को है तो भी वो एक्सेप्टेबल है। और इसके जो क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू 28 तारीख को अनुपटेक में होंगी। ये लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है, मिनिमम सर्विस चार्ज है, इसकी सैलरी बहुत अच्छी है, फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन कंपनी दे रही है। अगर किसी भी कैंडिडेट को इंटरेस्टेड है और डायरेक्टली आके वॉकिंग में इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं अनुपटेक में 1-to-1 में। सेम सऊदी की जो कंपनी है, कंपनी का नाम ग्लोबल रिसोर्स है। इसके इंटरव्यू कोचिन में भी होंगे। 27 अगस्त को इसके इंटरव्यू है। इसके जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, मैक्सिमम फुल टिक वेल्डर्स हैं, टिक एंड आर्क वेल्डर्स चाहिए, मल्टी वेल्डर्स, फायर वॉचर चाहिए, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर्स, क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर, ईएनआई एंड क्यूसी इंस्पेक्टर 650 और 653 क्वालिफाइड विद इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस, they can apply for this job. And it's very good company in Saudi Arabia. They give you very good salary. With the salary, free food, accommodation, transport they will provide you. Mobilization period will be immediately after your selection. Within 2 weeks we will mobilize you in Saudi Arabia. Friends, you can see we have requirement for Medina, and we have client interview on tomorrow. We want scaffolders. Not tomorrow, is on 29th August. We have requirement for scaffolder, scaffolding supervisors, scaffolding inspector, and scaffolder foreman. All these scaffolder and supervisor category, they should have Gulf experience. If any candidates have CISL certificate, that's also most welcome. Is a 100% free recruitment, long-term project. And yeah, selected candidate has to do KVC and that Medina Medical. And we have client interview 29th. If you are any part of the India, you can attend this interview, because client sitting here in Bombay and they are ready to do interview virtually also if any candidates unable to come to Bombay. And it's a very good opportunity. And the advantage is that this is for the long term project. तो जिसे भी लॉन्ग टर्म में अपना करियर बनाना है, उनके लिए एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है इसका फोल्डिंग का। वो आके इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं, या तो वर्चुअली इंटरव्यू भी दे सकते हैं। इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करे, या तो आपका सीवी उस पर ईमेल करे, जिससे हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर आपको कांटेक्ट करके आगे का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करे। Friends, this is again canned requirement for self shutdown, and we have interview on 20th August in Cochin also. As I said, all the ENI requirements, we want maximum instrument categories candidates, self shutdown selected candidates, no need for QVC, only company medical has to do. Departure already started. Bulk deployment will be started by mid of September or end of September. If any candidate selected, they can understand within 2 weeks they have to travel, and is a 100% free recruitment. Even medical amount also company will reimburse, subject to you carry the original medical receipt. And company will give you free food, accommodation, transport, and it's good opportunity. Yeah, friends, this is for Medina Group. Again, we have client interview tomorrow. Is a virtual interview. We need QC inspector mechanical, QC inspector piping and welding. Tomorrow we are doing virtual interviews. Client sitting here in our Bombay office. If any candidate available, they can attend this interview remotely, but they need to forward their resume first. And this is again for self shutdown, short-term project, and those candidates selected, they have to do only company medical. And once medical fit, immediately we will deploy them, and no need to do any QVC for this client. Okay, friends, we have the big requirement for Kuwait. This is for ABJ company, and they need people for their North Kuwait project, KOC project, and all requirements are open in that. We want the candidate for the mechanical, electrical, instrument, all division. We want candidate, and this is long term project. You can see the salary. Salary they are offering is the very good salary. Is one of the highest paid salary in Kuwait, and client interview will be on 25th August at Raj Park Hotel in Chennai. And once you selected, we'll process immediately your visa. Company give you free food, accommodation, transport, and this will be a face-to-face interview. So please attend this interview. This is a very good opportunity. Those looking for their career in oil and gas company. ओके फहद खान यू आर ऑटो एसी टेक्नीशियन ऑयल एंड गैस। फहद आप लास्ट 3 हफ्ते से ये इसी को मैसेज कर रहे हैं। मैंने आपको काफी मरतबा बोला है आप हमारे ऑफिस में आ जाइए, हमारे पास इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है। आप आपका सीवी लेके आइए, पासपोर्ट इसी आ हो तो कोई इशू नहीं है, हमारे पास इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। मिस्टर आशु खान योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इन Piaco company 5 years and 2 years L&D and 2 years for marketing etc all experience under। आंसू आपको ये क्लेरिफाई करना पड़ेगा आप किस फील्ड में आपका करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, क्या पोस्ट के लिए आपको अप्लाई करना है, उसके हिसाब से हम आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बता सकते हैं। तो बेटर इफ यू आर अवेलेबल हियर इन बॉम्बे लेट विजिट आवर बॉम्बे ऑफिस, मीट आवर टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंट, दे विल गाइड यू प्रोबेबली। Yes, Harmeet Gill, Harpreet, we have requirement for rigor. Please visit our Bombay office. एमडी सर्वर हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिशियंस की भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उसके लिए आपको हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में आना होगा। शंकर आचार्य यस, ब्रश पेंटिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कुवैत के लिए भी है और कतर के लिए भी और यूएई के लिए भी है। आपका सीवी लेके हमारे बॉम्बे ऑफिस में आइए जिससे हम आपको इंटरव्यू कर सके। अनिरुद्धा दास यू आर द मैकेनिकल फिटर। अभी हमने डेस्कॉन का इंटरव्यू करके गया मैकेनिकल फिटर का, बट ठीक है अगर आप अभी भी अवेलेबल हैं आप आपका सीवी लेके हमारे ऑफिस में आइए, हमारे पास इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट आती रहती है। Mr. Manikanta Swami, you are looking for HST officer, 5 to 6 years of experience. Yes, Mr. Manikanta, we have requirement for HSC. Please forward your resume so that our team will contact you whenever there will be an interview. सेफ्टी ऑफिसर्स के हमारे पास इंटरव्यूज है एल&टी कंपनी के लिए। मिस्टर मोहम्मद, आप प्लीज फॉरवर्ड योर रेज्यूमे सो दैट वी विल कॉल यू व्हेनेवर देयर विल बी इंटरव्यू। Faizan, yes, we have a requirement for piping supervisor. Recently, we have conducted desk on interview. If you would come 3 days earlier, then we can call you for the desk on. But still, we have many company interviews. We have requirement for QCon, then other companies also. Kindly forward your resume. Let me go through your profile, and if we found suitable, definitely we will call you for the interview. Structural welders, yes, Mr. Azhar Paiji. स्ट्रक्चर वेल्डर्स की इंटरव्यूज होने वाली हैं बहुत ही जल्दी बॉम्बे में। अपन स्टील करके कंपनी है दुबई के, उसके लिए हम आपको बुलाएंगे। आप फिलहाल अगर है तो बॉम्बे ऑफिस में आपका सीवी लाके दे दीजिए। Mr. Bharati, we have a requirement for scaffolder, and if you have offshore experience, that's also very good. Because we have two requirement, one for the offshore and other one the normal oil and gas company. So please forward your resume. Let we go through your profile. Accordingly, we will call you for the interview. Sukhjinder Singh ji, Pajwa ji, yes, we have requirement for scaffolding foreman also. Please forward your resume so that we will call you for the interview. Whenever there will be a client interview, definitely will call. Mr. Gulab Chandra, you are the material coordinator, come storekeepers. Gulab, as of now, we don't have any requirement for material coordinator, but you keep referring our artworks. If anything is there, definitely we will call you. Mr. YSR Sagar, hello sir, any vacancy for operation management? Mr. YSR Sagar, please forward a resume. Let our team go through your profile. If anything is there missing with your work experience, definitely our team will call you or we will advise you how to apply for the next job. नितेश श्रीवास्तव, डोजर ऑपरेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, आप ऑफिस में एक बार विजिट करें आपका बायोडाटा और लाइसेंस लेके, जिससे हमें ये समझ सके कौन सा लाइसेंस है और किस जॉब में आपको अप्लाई करना है। HVC engineers, not much requirement we have, but yeah, we are getting such requirement. Please forward your resume or continuously you go through our advertisement. We are expecting many requirement related to HVAC. Mr. Adil Ansar, is there any requirement for fresh petroleum engineers? Adil, as of now, whatever requirements we have, all our employer want Gulf experience candidates. But I'll suggest you continuously refer our all the advertisement, go through our all the social media platform. If you feel anything matching with your profile, immediately you can apply. Parasnath, already I discussed whatever the companies and requirements we have, they are all looking for uh, Gulf experience candidate. So please continuously you go through our advertisement. If anything is there, we will continue. We will definitely call you for the interview. Someone is called for SUC requirement. We have requirement for SUC for our domestic team. So please be with us. Our team, domestic team member will explain you. We have many requirement for HVAC.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Pratiksha, please carry on. Okay, viewers, I will see you next week with the more new requirements and confirm interviews. Please keep liking our all the advertisement. Go through our all the social media platforms. We have daily posting nearby 100,000 requirements. So this all will be help you for your career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out your time. Thank you. Friends, I would like to call our domestic level assistant manager, Mr. Nishan, to go take you forward.
So, hello, good afternoon, Pratiksha.
Good afternoon, Nishan.
So, I would just, hello, viewers, hello, friends. So, I am here this week with my set of requirements. So I would just like to put you some requirements on this page. Okay, so we are looking out for electrical technician, HVAC, civil foreman, and fitters. This is for one of the leading construction companies. The interviews are going on in Hyderabad, Pune, and Noida. So we are majorly focusing on electrical and HVAC technicians. So HVAC technician, there is a good salary package. So if they want to apply, they can just call on the given mobile number, mention mobile number, or on the email ID which is mentioned. Okay, so this is for one of the leading recruitment firms. This is for Seagull International. We are looking out for HR interns, HR executive, senior HR executives, and operation managers. So here the salary would be given in an attractive package, and the candidates can apply on the given mention ID or on the email or on the mobile number which is mentioned on the screen. ओके सो फ्रेंड्स ये है डोजर ऑपरेटर, एस्कावेटर, बिग लोडर, हाइड्रा, फोर्कलिफ्ट, ये ओडिशा लोकेशन के लिए है. मिनिमम एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए 5 years. और जैसे किसी को पोर्ट, कंटेनर या टर्मिनल्स में मींस जिन्होंने मशीन्स ऑपरेट की हैं दे वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इसके लिए. और या तो वो मेंशन ईमेल आईडी पे मेंशन कर सकते हैं या तो वो मोबाइल नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली और अपना सीवी पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. और इसके इंटरव्यूज अभी फिलहाल चल रहे हैं. Okay. So friends, this is for one of the leading port and container company. We are looking out for electrical technician, mechanical, welder, fabricator, storekeeper, fuel station operators. So friends, they can apply on the email ID mentioned or on the given mobile. This is for Winningsum Port, Kerala. Experience चाहिए 2 साल. Either sector port, container, terminals चलेगा या graduate या diploma. Okay, so one of the port and leading container company requires electrical technician, mechanical technician, welder, fitter, fabricator, store, fuel operator. This is also for Winningsum Port, Kerala. यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस जो रिक्वायर्ड है वो 3 years है एंड पोर्ट, कंटेनर, टर्मिनल से सेक्टर से चलेंगे. और क्वालिफिकेशन विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इज ग्रेजुएशन और डिप्लोमा. तो कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, मेंशन आईडी पे अपना सीवी सेंड कर सकते हैं या तो गिवन मोबाइल नंबर पे कॉल करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. द इंटरव्यूज आर गोइंग ऑन. Okay friends, so this was my set of requirements and I would like, मैंने अभी जैसे देखा some of the HVAC technicians हैं या electrical, they can directly call because we are giving the attractive salaries to them, so they can call immediately because the interviews are going on for HVAC and electrical technician या AC technicians. So Pratiksha, over to you.
Thank you, Nishant.
Thank you,
Thank you. Thank you, Nishant, for taking out your time. So friends, this was our today's requirement. प्लीज मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ जो भी आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो पोस्ट के नीचे मेल आईडी और फोन नंबर्स दिए गए होते हैं उसी पे आप अपना रिक्वायरमेंट और सीवी शेयर कीजिए ताकि आपकी प्रोसीजर जल्द से जल्द और जल्दी हो जाए और शॉर्टलिस्टिंग भी. सो आपका रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो भी मेल आईडी और फोन नंबर्स दिए उस पर लिख के. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज आवर हेड ऑफिस. हमारी हेड ऑफिस है मुंबई में. आपके दिए हुए स्क्रीन के पे एड्रेस और मेल आईडी, फोन नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं. यू कैन शेयर योर रेज्यूमे ऑन द मेल आईडी एंड द फोन नंबर्स टू. So friends, this is our Baroda and Delhi branches. Here also the address, phone numbers and mail ID have been given on the screen. You can share your CVs on the given mail ID and phone number. This is our Vizag and Kolkata branch. Here also you can visit our branches and get your CV shortlisted, or you can mail or phone give WhatsApp your CVs on the given phone numbers. This is our Kochi and Chennai branches. Here also you can share or visit our branches in Kochi and Chennai. So friends, this is a QR scanner of a WhatsApp, and the phone numbers and mail ID have been given on the screen. You can share your resume on this also. This is our website www.seagullgroup.in. Here also you can visit our website and get your details regarding the domestic and overseas requirement. So friends, we have our digital presence. हम फेसबुक पे है, लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर और यूट्यूब, ये सभी सोशल मीडिया ऐप पे है हम. आप जाके इस पे आप अपनी सीवी शेयर कर सकते हो. गिवन ऑन द पोस्ट पे जो भी नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं उस पे जाके आप सीवी शेयर कर सकते हो. So friends, thank you for joining us today. और नेक्स्ट वीक होगी हमारी रीजनल मंडे को, और उसके अगले फ्राइडे को हमारी होगी वापस से मुंबई की रिक्वायरमेंट. प्लीज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस टुडे एंड सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक. थैंक यू.